guys, this is me. We're gonna unwrap my presents for my Christmas party. First is this one. It's pretty big. Look. You might already tell what is this, but I'm just open it. Guys, it's so cool. I think it's the biggest Lego set that I ever seen. It's the biggest Lego set. Guys, let's do the other one. Now it's this one. So Jane, let's do this now. Okay, I got some clothes. That's pretty nice. Okay, let's see. This one. This one. Let's see. I want to see. Oh my gosh, I got 3 of this now. Okay. Wait guys, wait. We're just gonna get some more gifts. Like this. Okay, we're gonna do this now. Let's see. Okay, guys. Mommy, you might like these towels. Now, wait guys. Oh, this one. Whoa, mommy, I like this. Okay, another one. Peel this thing. Wait, please tell me this what it is. Oh.
Vitamin C, it's a gamot. That's a gamot. You don't need to open it.
I want to see now. Okay, I got gamot. So I want to see what's the gamot.
Meron pagkain ng mami.
Meron siyang ham.
Ha?
Meron siyang ham. Sa oven.
Oh.
Mainitin ko yung
Mami, can I have one gamot?
Pa yung ano? No, Jamie, it's a gamot. Ito ang gamot.
Masistanlat ko na mga presents ko. Please po ipabigay sa akin. Thank you.
Yan, open it.
Ito, another one. Oh. Oh, I actually want this.
malat na. Malat na rin mabawasan.
Guys.
Nakita mo yung rice ng konti.
Dami tubig.
Oh, it's a real camera.
Assistant, paano po ito i-open?
This one pa open it.
Ay, ito pa po kasi kailangan po muna i-charge. Kailangan po muna i-charge po.
Okay. This one pa. This one pa.
Ito pa po, guys.
Sa oven.
Kakain pa ba?
Mommy, I have the map. Mommy.
Oo.
Assistant nga pa po. Assistant. Ito. Ano ko nakuha ang damit. Dagdag ko pa naman. Ito pa.
Ay, hindi. That's ano.
Ayan, guys.
This one.
pa. Ito pa, guys. Ito pa. Mami, look! Guys. Mami.
Wow.
Okay.
Meron pa.
Ooh. This one. We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
Huwag mo nabuksan.
Ito, guys. Guys, isi-try ko lang ito, guys. Ito, guys. So, ang ganda naman. Assistant, ano to po?
Ah, that's mine.
Assistant, may pa ba po?
Here, I think you can open kay Daddy na rin. And kay Mami. Oh.
Ito po.
May mga food. Hiwalay kay mga food. Kasi...
Akin na to, ma'am. Ma'am, assistant.
Food arrangement. Ito pa, ito pwede i-open ito.
Guys, meron pa po. Meron pa.
One, okay.
Meron pa kaming bag of details. Pa. Ma'am, yung assistant ko po, magugustuhan niya ito po. Yung gamot, sa kanya. Ito, slime. Hindi pa po slime. Ito pa. Ito po, guys. Maganda. Open na natin. Wait lang, guys. Please stand. Akin na to kasi meron ka naman sa hanggan. Sa akin pala to. Mali. So, yung isang assistant ko po, meron na kasi.
Isa assistant.
Wala
Tawag
lang,
sa atin assistant.
wala lang yon, wala lang yon. Hindi ko alam sino yon, guys. Ito, guys.
Kung mapalo ka,
Naka-live siya.
One. Ito ba yan? Ito naman ulit. Yung sabi daw, papalo sa akin, iba yung sasabi niya. Iba, hindi ako. Oh, guys. Ito pa. Malaki. Ayan, ito. Ito, guys. Ayan, ganda pa naman yung bag na to. Wait lang.
box and cover behind me. Pero lang muna mo give that.
Akin lang po.
Oo nga. Korte ka ba?
Naman.
Ganyan. Ang tira mo yung bigay.
Guerrero.
Ganito. Assistant next naman po. Assistant na pa-open.
Wala na po.
Please po i-open to po. Thank you. Lang, guys.
Tapos na.
Isang assistant to. Ina-open lang niya.
Ano ba to?
Sino yung maganda mo assistant dyan?
Oh my god. Ganito. Cheddar cheese.
Say bye na. It's done. Nothing na.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Share this video to your friends so I can make some more.